Hey guys, this is a special video. I'm here in my new desk. Okay, so we're gonna be making British Airways for our new airline fleet with more airlines like Dunkin JetBlue, Philippine Airlines, and Atlas Air, Cebu Pacific, Emirates, Uzbekistan Airways, and Singapore Airlines. So we will be making British Airways. I'm just gonna get this stuff and we're gonna get started. Okay, we're done. Credits to the airplane for ART Origami because I learned this plane from his or her channel, but it's good. But we're gonna get started. Okay, first we're gonna go do the back livery, and there will be a part 2 here. Okay, let's go. Sorry for background noises. We're gonna do the other side now. So okay, let's go. I think it's done. The first livery is done. Okay, it's time for the tail, which is very hard. I think I also modified the aircraft to make it have like this part. So I'm gonna color the tail. Okay, and let's go. Okay, next is the blue part. Okay, the right livery, this part is done, so let's head to the other side. I will also color the fuselage parts, like the real one, like this one. So okay, let's start. Okay, the tail is done. Now we just gotta do the fuselage parts in the back. It's there. Okay, so let's start. Oops, I think something fell. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I fixed the thing now. Now we're gonna do the part I said earlier. I think it's time for the other side. Just extending the tails, the shape. Okay, They're done with the British Airways tail. Now it's for the sign. Okay, this is kinda easy. Just have to write British Airways. I think it's too close. I'm just gonna try to remove the overlong part. Now we're gonna go for another try. Okay, same as always. I'm gonna try again. Okay, finally I perfected it. British Airways. Now it's time to do the sign. I'm just gonna take something here. Okay, I got into the sign. Time to yay! I finally did the other side. Now time to do the other side. Wait guys. Okay. I'm just gonna fix. This is much. The other side is much realistic. I'm gonna try to copy that. Is this much realistic, guys? Let me know in the comments. At least the British Airways is done, but we're missing one final piece. You know what it is? The cockpit. And we're done in the British Airways livery. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one.